I thought it'd be nice to
Hello,
go to the
everybody.
theater.
This
'Cause
is the
I've been in the theater
update
a
from
long time,
today.
and
I just
Hi,
wanted
friend.
to update you.
I don't know if you know who I am. My name's Misha. I'm the internet's gay best friend. I also happen to look crazy right now because I'm on my way home from the gym. But I just saw your video, and I am so sorry that happened to you. I also love the theater, and I've also not felt included all of the time. And so I just wanted to reach out and extend my hand and say that if you have the time and or are willing, I would love to take you for a weekend of Broadway shows. All of it on me. Travel, everything. If you want. I know I'm a stranger to you, so if you don't want to do that, that's okay. But I wanted to... you did look really pretty in your dress, and you do deserve to go out, and you do deserve to have fun and be seen. And I wanted to right one of the wrongs in the world. So if you see this, send me a message.
I thought it'd be